Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord umkhokha the curse, and we are going to start ngonobuntu nomenga. Unobuntu is not happy with how Menga's parents first saw her, right? But yeah, that's not the part that got me. The part that got me is that Ugo wants Umenga to lobola her. And Umenga ngatake kolapho. Because she said, when you are ready to pay lobola for me, you must remember to tell your parents ukuthi ungithole ngiyitshitshi. So like, how like, I wonder ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. Lizophuma le lobolo or kuzoyenzakalani. Like, it doesn't seem ngathi Umenga serious. But I think ukuthi their rich soft life is going to crumble very, very, very soon, looking at the rate in which the father is not happy ngomenga. Angene ke umama kaMenga angene ayi abachope atshela uMenga ukuthi when you want to quit everything and everything izosala nevezandlebe wara all that nonsense, right? But the main thing that she said was like, you cannot choose this girl. This girl Agana Similo. She just left her family to come here and keep it with you and fat and sit with you. That is wrong. So now when and girl hakamatoro kis, and she tried to kick her out, right? Umenga wat umabusiga umabusu sekhandeni lam, guys. Askisin at unobuntu kabani wakabani unobuntu athi unobuntu akayindawo unobuntu yahlala unobuntu wayiyeka amagqeke kaGumede wawadelela mina wadelela ubabakhe wahamba in front of ubabakhe phambi kwabantu in front of phambi kwabantu wathi ngiyayeka ngikhetha indoda. I will die for a man. I will die for a man, literally. Like, that's what she was saying, because she chose Umenga over her family. So with that said, Umenga returned the favor and said, I'm not going to choose anyone. I'm not going to choose family over her. This is my woman. She's going to stay. So it looks like Menga's mom wants to meet with Nobuntu's parents so that they can discuss the way forward, because they cannot stay in a fat and set type of situation. They need to get married. Angisho banjani. Ke unobuntu express ama feelings wakhe kuMenga ukuthi, you know what, I feel so out. My family left. I left my family. My family is not speaking to me. My siblings are not speaking to me. I don't have friends. Like, I'm literally alone. Your parents hate me. In Umenga asked then, who am I? What am I? And then it looked like Uyangala went upstairs, came back with a ring. Before he even said anything, unobuntu dan, yes. Oh, yes. Before even the question was popped, disappointment. Guys said, no, it's not an engagement ring. It's a promise ring. I'm promising you, Guti, I will always be there. Yo, guys, her disappointment was like mine. I was so disappointed. It was not even fun. Yes, that's what happened. On a serious note now, every woman deserves a husband like Uspamandla. Like, every wife deserves Uspamandla in their life. Ugai was like, I can hear Ugutumgam Uti, she can't leave, she can't do whatever. Just know to Gutiminang Zohlala naye. Yo, guys, I melted. But nonetheless, Uzamkolo decided Ugutu Zohlala no Nomafu wahlala vele, and in the process prayed for Nomafu, and Nomafu tried to walk. Will this healing be permanent, or is the healing temporary, and then Umabusi will still be forced to accept Ikwam? Umabusi nozamcolo nabaya batotobe baye ngaphandle shem baze bafike la kubamba khona inetwork kufonela umntwana babona umntwana kube mnandi. But Umabusi told uzamcolo ukuthi, this ends with me. I need to accept Ikwama because this thing cannot go to our son, and this is something that I need to do. Then afone ke uphakathwayo makafona uzamcolo amncenge ukuthi yazini, do what you can do to make sure ukuthi Ikwama ziyatholakala, because wow, without le Ikwama lezi we're not gonna get out of this problem esikuyo. Uphakathwayo athi hayi nambe ngibona ukuthi la inuka something kunuka ifishi la, so we need to solve it, we need to sort it out ASAP. Zobege, on the other hand, she continues to see the imaginary rope, right? Like wherever she goes, the imaginary rope is there. Wherever she goes, the imaginary rope is there. Wherever she goes, the imaginary rope is there. So today she decided to go to, I'm going to surrender. Yo angasamhlekike uGabisile ukuthi surrender to who, to what? Because this rope is imaginary. Even if you wanted to surrender at this point, there's nothing you can do. Angena uphakathi wambuza ukuthi kwenzakalani, athi ayinanga umuntu uthi hayi uyazi-offer yena, uzi-offer kanjani kungana any rope, kungana ini, and on such a small chair, like your exercise is futile. Then Zobe explained that she is very tired. She's been through a lot. Right now, she just wants to rest in peace because that's the only option that she has. Like, she's literally exhausted. Ayizini-ke uphakathwayo afonile abantu bakhamzobeke beza abantu bakhamzobe babafika asho ukuthi ngibhadala ilobolo akunami nomuntu ngimkweletayo kwashele ngikwathupopa ngikweleti kamzobe. It is disappointing ukuthola ukuthi ningipha mina i-damaged goods in a sense, because ever since I've been married to Mzobe, it's just trouble after trouble, problem after problem. Like, there's no joy. I'm not happy. And with that said, take your child. Ngaleso sikhathi Mzobe is about 50 years old, ne? If not early 60s, but she's old. But take your take your child. Mzobe then came and said, guys, I am tired. I am tired. And Uphakathwayo was not having it. He did not care. He said, yes, you can be tired, but Hakamatorokisi, go back to your parents' house. Start there. I know we're too old to get married to other people, but Uphakathwayo was not having it, right? With that said, Mzobe said, before I can even try to leave or whatever, follow me. Kulandela Mzobe. Right? They followed her. Mzobe asked to Kabisile, ati Kabisile, dig here. Kabisile was like, I know you very well. Kabisile Pela knows ukuthi mama can fly by night. Nonetheless, she tried to dig. Phakathwayo lost patience, and then he took the shovel and he dug, right? As he was digging, the bag is kwama sivele. Everybody was shocked. Ukuthi all along, girl, you had iskwama. You've been denying it like crazy. Iskwama siguwe. Like, how dare you? But ke iskwama iphelele lapho ke istory la Mzobe akhipha khona iskwama. We cannot wait for Monday. You come here, I will be here. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.